I'm Mike Worster with Stratus Technologies, and I manage the Rockwell partnership globally. Stratus has been in business for over 40 years. Our technology is trusted by 4 of the 5 largest global credit card companies. We enable the treatment of 2 billion gallons of water annually and help the successful flow of oil and gas in 100,000 miles of pipeline. There's a need in the marketplace with digital transformation and the convergence of IT/OT to move a server infrastructure outside the traditional managed computer room and locate it closer to the smart assets that are actually controlling the applications. Teams across oil and gas, electric vehicle, renewables, life sciences, and modern manufacturing are using products like our ZTC Edge to acquire and manage data as close to the originating source as possible. Our systems are designed for the industrial edge and offer the capacity to collect, analyze, and store data right at the source with industrially hardened computing. Our systems are operationally simple and deliver the famous Stratus fault tolerance, which means if a component fails in one of the systems, the switchover preserves data to eliminate downtime, and there's no need to restart the application. This allows customers in the industrial space the ability to manage hundreds of sites with small teams and not worry about supporting or maintaining a more complicated server infrastructure. Customers need companies working together to assist in their digital transformation journey. Stratus has partnered with Rockwell to create unique and bundled solutions with products like their Thin Manager and Plant PAX that are pre-tested to simplify and accelerate implementation. These are just 2 examples of our capability to virtualize systems to handle the demands of manufacturing. Our products and applications are delivered through Rockwell distributors, system integrators, and OEMs and supported worldwide.